So we're here at the we're at the French Hand Laundry where I'm bringing my vintage Moschino for pickup and repair, and I came across this adorable Barbie display with this cool silk scarf made by Nicole Miller. So we all know Nicole Miller did a Barbie scarf now. And then look at this adorable, these vintage dolls in this original box. Like, I don't even remember, this was before my time. Barbies didn't look like this, but you know, mine were newer looking. But look at this, and this, I'm just having a field day over that. I mean, that, how adorable. I actually have a black, an all black case just like that at the rental house. That I thought, oh, maybe somebody would want it for a Barbie. And there it is. Except mine's all black. Look at that adorable little phone. I wish I knew what years these were. What is this, 60s it looks like? And then just so cute. That is too much. Look at that. A little flash of Barbie today. Oh, wait, this is the dress. This is this one. Okay, hold, that's the dress. And the dog is original. Oh my gosh, it comes with the dog. That's definitely a 60s. That is too cute. Oh, look at this black and white dress. It's a very Barbie style. Yeah, this is definitely 60s Barbie. Well, that's 60s. What is that? Is that 50s? 60s? 60s?
So I tried to enable them.
Maybe they must all be 60s Barbies, and I just don't remember these styles at the top because they go all the way around. This is the flares, not so good. Oh yeah, this is all 60s Barbie. That's adorable. Okay, so I'd share that with you here at the French Hand Laundry in Pasadena, California. One more look at Barbie.